Okay, now you're going to take your understanding of sight words and new words that we've learned, and you're going to put them together into sentences. So, words that I haven't taught yet are always at the top. Let's look at that list. Full, pushed, pulled, first, and month. So remember that these are all words that have to be memorized because they don't follow the phonetic rule. Okay, so your first job is to look at sentence 4. I want you to read sentence 4 in your head, track as you read, and then you're going to read it out loud. I will then read it so that you can check your accuracy. The child pulled her tomcat in the wagon. Now I'd like you to go down to sentence 8. Read it silently in your head, and then read it aloud, and then listen to me reading it out loud to make sure you got all the words correct, as well as the phrasing. Helen has her first tennis lesson at 10. Last sentence, number 10. Read it silently, read it aloud, and then listen to me reading for errors. Brock will visit Boston next month. Okay, now you're going to go into your classroom and there will be some questions for you to answer about these sentences.